Sarura Kids.
Hi, Quazzy! Hello, friends. I'm Trymore. What's your name? Thanks for coming to play with us here on Sarura Kids. Make sure to check out our other videos and learn Shona with us. Shona is so cool. I love it. Almost as much as I love playing the near-far game. What? You've never heard of it before? Huh, it's easy. When I am near, you have to shout, Padhuze. And when I am far, you shout, Kure. You try it. Say, Kure. Now say, Padhuze. Padhuze. Kure. Padhuze. Kure. Padhuze. Good job, you guys. When I am near, I look bigger. But when I am far, I look smaller. Now that you can say Kure and Padhuze, why don't you sing along with us?
Kure, Padhuze, Kure, Padhuze, Kure, Padhuze, Kure, Padhuze, Kure, 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 Padhuze, Kure, 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 Padhuze, Kure, Padhuze, Kure, Padhuze, Kure, Padhuze, Kure, Padhuze, Kure, 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 Padhuze, Kure, 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 Padhuze.
Wow, you guys are now superstars at this. Why don't we go for a walk and discover some more things that are near and far?
Kure, Padhuze, Kure, Padhuze, Kure, Padhuze, Kure, Padhuze, Kure, 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 Padhuze, Kure, 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 Padhuze.
Mrume uyu ari Kure. Murume uyu ari Padhuze. Mukadzi uyu ari Kure. Mukadzi uyu ari Padhuze. That was amazing, friends. Did you enjoy learning about near and far? What did we learn today? We learned that when something is near you, it looks bigger. But when something is far away, it looks smaller. We also learned that the man was far, then he was near, and the woman was far, and then she was near. Why don't you play the near and far game today at home? I bet you'll love it just as much as I do. Thanks for watching, friends. I'll see you again next time when we will be learning about in and out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Sarura Kids so you get notified of our latest videos. See you later.